Welcome back, guys. We've got Ethereum today. We're going to be looking on a higher time frame on daily, and also we'll be going into the lower 4 hour and 1 hour chart, so a bit of technical analysis today. And what levels are we looking to go at? The market looks a little bit pumpy today, and if we go straight into the 1 hour, you'll see that we've had a pump in quite a lot of altcoins and Bitcoin today. So there is strength in the market at the moment. Let's have a quick look at the stochastic RSI on the 1 hour is a little bit overbought. It's creeping upwards on the 4 hour, nearing overbought on the 8 hour, 12 hours overbought, and the daily is nearing overbought as well. So is this going to be a short term pump? Let's have a quick look. So we've been trading in this wedge, managed to get the break, and we've got 3 hours and 30 minutes left before the candle closes this 4 hour. If we do manage to get that, and the level that ideally we want to be closing above is 2036, to be looking at testing higher levels such as the previous high here, 2121 and 2163, depending on whether you're going to be laddering out with profit zone 1 and profit zone 2. I'll stick see if we've got any confluence from the 200 moving average. No, that's probably way up there, miles away from that. So that's what I'm looking at on Ethereum on the 4 hour. We'll see if we've got any other indication on the 1 hour. See, this level here is holding as a bit of a sell wall. One positive move, one positive thing on the 1 hour. So we've got this 200 1 hour moving average holding as support. So you've got this area here where we've had the break, closed, retest. We've got two areas to act as confirmation here. So that's one good thing. And if we manage to get the break and a close above the level that I've just mentioned at 2036, we could be looking at highs of 2123. One good thing about the area that we're in now, from a trading perspective, is not financial advice. If you're not trading your own strategy where you can be consistent and you can calculate the profitability from that by back testing it, then you're not going to be able to know whether you're going to be consistently profitable over an allocated amount of time. So if you can't consistently analyze your own data, then you're not actually going to know your results. So you shouldn't trade just based on what people tell you, but you should educate yourself so you're able to do that yourself. One good thing about this area here, from a risk to reward perspective, is you've got the 200 moving average, as I mentioned. You've got this trend line here, so you've got two areas of support, and if you manage to get your trade on this area of support here, which is 2018, the confirmation trade, you see just this small incremental level here, which is 2.25%. The downside is 0.67%. So even if you managed to get confirmation on there and there was a bit of volume that was coming into the market, it was looking quite nice. The worst case scenario, you're bought in there and you're stopping out there, so you're only losing a little bit, where your rewards could be 3.29 times higher. So from a trading perspective, these are good when you've got areas of additional confluence, and you can build in other areas of additional confluence on top of that, such as there's a lot of buying action in these areas here, which matches up well with that. So it's acted as good confirmation on the 1 hour so far. Let's see if we can get the break and the close above. I mean, on the daily, it is looking more bearish, where we might come back and test this previous resistance at I mentioned previously, 2173-ish, 2000 2,170-ish, but we've been in a downtrend here in the wedge, and there's a higher probability that we're looking to go back and test lower levels. There's a higher probability of you going to the downside once you've been trading in a downside wedge. Hope that I'm wrong, and we'll be able to see if I'm wrong if we manage to get a break and a close above these levels here where we can come back and test. So we'll have to wait and see. Hope you like this analysis, guys. It's only a quick one today. We've got a couple of shows. We've got some technical analysis by our Share It community, so they're going to be giving us some requests. Our Share It community on the BBS network. That BBS network's a bulletin board service, so it's basically like a social media blockchain where you get rewarded for posting and interacting. We've also had some requests for some play to earn gaming, and we're going to be starting with Splinterlands on that, so watch out for that over the next few episodes as well, guys. Thanks for all your support. Share the content with others, share it with your friends if you find it useful, and give us a like and hit the notification bells, guys. If we don't do emergency updates and when the market's pumping or dumping, we'll try and get on and keep you updated, so hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of anything that happens in the market. Hope you like, guys. Take care of yourselves. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.